basic components of Windows operating system. So first component of Windows operating system is desktop. So desktop, what is a desktop? Desktop is first screen that can be appear on your computer system is known as desktop. So desktop is the area on the screen which displays various components of the Windows. The opening screen in Windows is a desktop with a taskbar. This is taskbar running along the bottom of the screen and two or more icons. These all are known as icons located along the left side of the screen. Next component is my computer. So this is my computer and this PC. And my computer and this PC icon helps to explore the different locations of stored files on hard disk. It also allows you to find, view and organize files. And if you want to open my computer and this PC, you can double click on it. And when you double click on it, it can be display a windows like this, my computer windows. And it can be display number of hard disk drive like C, D, E, F drives, and it can be also display system folders here. Next component is start button. At the bottom of the screen, on the left side of the taskbar, you can see a button is known as start button. And why we use this button? If you want to start any application, if you want to shut down your computer system, and if you want to restart your computer system, you can choose the start button. This is start button. Okay, right? Next is documents. Documents is a system folder, and by default it can be saved all office related files like MS Word file, Excel file and PowerPoint files and other documents files. So documents are the default storing folder for files that you create. And if you want to open my documents and document folder, double click on my PC and my computer, and here document folder will be available. This is document folder. So if you want to open document folder, double click on it and you can see all the files of your document related files. Next is Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer. और जो Windows 2010 होगा उसमें हम बोलते हैं Microsoft Edge. ओके, और Windows 2007 में इसको बोलते हैं Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer means if you want to surf, if you want to use internet in your computer system, and if you want to search anything, you can use the Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer is used to view information on the World Wide Web. This is Internet Explorer. So if you want to open Internet Explorer, click on start button and choose Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer. Okay, next is Recycle Bin. Recycle Bin, it is a system folder and it can be it can be store all temporary deleted files of your computer system. It is like a dustbin. So when you delete an object, Windows send it to the recycle bin. You can restore objects that are located in the recycle bin, or you can permanently delete them from the computer system. Next is taskbar. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a bar. This is known as taskbar. The taskbar can contains different buttons like start button, quick launch buttons. This is taskbar, notification area, and this is clock. And if you want to change the current system date and time, you can click here. Right click on this option and change your current system date and time. Next is shortcut icons. There are two types of icons. First is icon. ये जो icons होंगे उनमें arrow नहीं लगा होगा. Okay? और जो आपके shortcut icons होंगे उनमें arrow का symbol होगा. Icons with an arrow in the lower left corner are shortcut icons. Click the icon for quick access to the object that they represent. This is shortcut icon. देखो यहाँ पे आपको arrow दिख रहा है. This is shortcut icon. This is also shortcut icon. This is also shortcut icon. These all are shortcut icons, right? Next is folder icon. This is folder icon. This is also folder icon. This is also folder icon. So folder icons represents the actual object and provide different access, direct access to the object. This is folder icon. Next is system tray. System tray. The system tray by default is located at the far right bottom corner of your screen. This is system tray. ये जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट अवेलेबल हैं, दिस इज सिस्टम ट्रे. ओके, बाय डिफॉल्ट विंडोज नोटिफिकेशन, बैटरी इंफॉर्मेशन, देखो यहाँ पे बैटरी इंफॉर्मेशन भी दिख रही है आपको, विंडोज नोटिफिकेशन भी आपको दिख रही है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, बैटरी इंफॉर्मेशन, नेटवर्क इंफॉर्मेशन. अब ये नेटवर्क इंफॉर्मेशन भी आपको अवेलेबल होगी यहाँ पे. दिस इज नेटवर्क इंफॉर्मेशन. नेटवर्क इंफॉर्मेशन एंड वॉल्यूम, दिस इज वॉल्यूम इंफॉर्मेशन. यहाँ से वॉल्यूम चेंज करेंगे इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड द टाइम आर शोन इन द सिस्टम ट्रे. ये सारी जितनी भी डिटेल होती है वो कहाँ पे अवेलेबल होती है? इन द सिस्टम ट्रे. So next time we will discuss about running an application and setting system date and time.